Alright, December 24th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here along with the ATSF Railfan 1545 coming to you from Ladysmith with another video lined up for you at mile 353.17 along the Canadian National Superior Sub-Main. Gonna have the roll-by of the Rattler M347 91 of the 23rd on the way with the new Tier 4 build of the 3286 to lead it, with the 2826 as DPU. Hang on to your hats as we'll check them out on the roll-by as we'll lean back and get them. Let's go! Canada. Here's the last of the Rattler. GTW 624 112 and the train device is going. Phew, what a ride. And how about that? That will do it for the new 3286 that leads on the Rattler. We'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening. See you next time, and we'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes and the ATSF Railfan out.